Hey guys, welcome back to the WWE Chicken High Flying Division. Today we'll be unboxing Series 65 Ronda Rousey and Series 117 Basic Otis and Series 65 Ronda Rousey Elite. Now let's get these figures unboxed. Now first I'm gonna get Ronda Rousey. Rousey figure. Oh, he's knocking everything down, everybody. Always. Now, wow, I love this. I love this. Look at it. Comes with the pen, as you can see there. It also comes with the book. As you can see right there, this is inside the book. And also here is the table, which I really love that it comes with the cloth. And I love that it comes with the black table. I only have 2 black tables. Very rare to have a black table. Usually you're usually getting like the brown table, so happy to get a black table, my second ever black table. Now, this is a Ronda Rousey figure. Wow, look at this figure, everybody. As you see, I'll show you the jacket. And here is the jacket. Wow, I love the jacket. And wow, I love the figure too. A great figure. Love the detail. I love this figure. This figure looks awesome. And wow. So that is a great figure. I love that figure. It looks awesome. And now next we're gonna do the beast mode things, yeah. To get these figgies unboxed. And whoa, guess what we got, everybody. Now I do not have this Roman Reigns figure, but we have got the Roman Reigns. Wow. I only have the Becky Lynch and Rock, so it's nice to get the Roman. I will show you the Rock and Becky at the end of the video. And now let's get this figure unboxed. I'm so excited to do this figure. I really love these. I want to collect all of them because, as you know, I like collecting stuff. And I really like all of my fans out there. And now we have Triple H. Wow, awesome figure. Wow. Let's get this Triple H out. Now, as you can see the Triple H. Now, let me just give you guys a look at the Roman. Look at that Roman, and now let me show you the Roman with the suit on. Yes, look, yeah, there. And this is the Triple H, and now it's time to play the suit. And wow, look at this, amazing. And now it's time to get the ripped one, the one that's ripped. Now it's time to get the ripped one unboxed. And I have got the Rock. And like I said, I did have the Rock, so this is a surprise. So now I guess you already get to see the Rock. Right there, there is the Rock. Now I do have the Rock, so I'm gonna have 2 rocks now. And now it's time for Otis Series 117. Now, wow, look at this Otis figure. This Otis figure looks amazing. Wow, I love this figure. And now it's time for me to show you my Becky Lynch, and yeah, this Becky Lynch since I already got the Rock. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry, but I can't show you the Becky Lynch. I'm sorry. I'll try to show you as soon as I can. But I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment, and put the bell notification so you can get notified every time I make a new video. Peace. I hope you liked the video. Chicken wing.